In a world where time, quality, and availability are everything, one thing makes the difference: a strong partner by your side. Welcome to the Heidelberg Service Network. Over 17 million order items processed over the last 25 years, 5.5 million packages shipped worldwide, more than 140,000 tons of parts and equipment delivered. For more than 175 years, we support our customers with expertise, dedication, and trust. Our service teams handle a wide range of machines and technologies, from installation to troubleshooting, all the way to proactive and preventive services. To make that possible, we train every one of our technicians at least 5 days every year. Why? Because staying up to date means staying one step ahead for our customers' success. Today, over 11,000 systems are connected to the Heidelberg IoT Cloud, empowering real-time analytics and intelligent diagnostics. We've built strong digital solutions that help our customers solve problems fast, without always needing a technician on site. How? Through remote service and real-time data with callbacks in less than an hour. We act fast and get results. With more than 2,300 service experts, in over 250 locations across 170 countries, we are here for you, wherever you are. Heidelberg Service means technology meets experience. Real people, real support, real impact. We've got your back. Service you can rely on.